3, 2, 1.
What is the name for a port used to connect peripheral devices such as keyboards, mouses, and digital cameras to a computer? The answer is B, USB. What is the fastest particle known to man? The answer is C, neutrino. What protective gear do ice hockey players wear on their feet? The answer is C, skates. What is the name of Carrie Hefferman's deceased mother, who has never been seen on the hit television show The King of Queens? The answer is B, Sophia. Who is the playable character with the highest kill count in Call of Duty: Modern Warfare? The answer is B, ghosts. Which of the following prefixes does not mean not? The answer is C, pan. Light waves which interfere with themselves after interaction with a small aperture or target are said to what? The answer is A, diffract. What term is used to describe the sequence of elementary steps that together comprise an entire chemical reaction? The answer is D, reaction mechanism. Named after the Dutch physicist, the Van de Graaff is a type of what device used for nuclear research? The answer is D, accelerator. Which language has the most dialects? The answer is A, Chinese. The following definition relates to which term? The application of knowledge to real-world problems. The answer is A, technology. Actor Christian Bale stars in the 2009 crime movie Public Enemies. What type of character does he play? The answer is A, FBI agent. Who is the first African American to be elected President of the United States? The answer is A, Barack Obama. As of 2023, what is the most used web browser? The answer is B, Google Chrome. Which kitchen item is a type of sieve with multiple layers? The answer is D, chinois. Which architect is known for designing Fallingwater in Pennsylvania? The answer is B, Frank Lloyd Wright. What do extensive properties depend on the amount of? The answer is C, matter in a sample. What are usually planted in rows with bare soil in between the rows? The answer is A, crops. What was the occupation of Agatha Christie's second husband? The answer is D, archaeologist. Which pasta's name means little worms? The answer is C. Vermicelli. Which philosophy emphasizes self-discovery and self-improvement? The answer is B. Stoicism. The Sahara Desert in Africa has high daytime temperatures but low nighttime temperatures. Which factor is mainly responsible for low nighttime temperatures in the Sahara Desert? The answer is C. Lack of clouds. Which example best shows the effect of vibration on matter? The answer is B. A harpsichord. Who created JavaScript? The answer is C. Tim Berners-Lee. What type of habitat do ferns need to grow? The answer is A. Moist. Who is known as the father of modern management and developed the Hawthorne studies? The answer is D. Elton Mayo. What fertilizes an egg during sexual reproduction? The answer is A. Sperm. A student is conducting an investigation using chemicals. Other than goggles and gloves, what else should the student use in order to conduct this investigation safely? The answer is A. Lab coat. The Mexican beer Corona is what type of beer? The answer is D. Pale lager. What field of medicine did Frank Burns specialize in the M*A*S*H series? The answer is B. Podiatry. What song of Bryan Adams was featured on the soundtrack of the 1995 movie Don't Out of Narco, starring Johnny Depp? The answer is D. Have you ever really loved a woman? If a substance can absorb solar energy, then what can or will happen to that substance? The answer is A. It will see a raising of warmth levels. Who played the character James Bond in the most films? The answer is A. Pierce Brosnan. When would most people wear shorts? The answer is D. A noon picnic. Which U.S. team won the Little League World Series championship game in 1970? The answer is D. Wayne, N.J. Which scientist is known for the periodic table? The answer is C. Dalton. Who scored the highest individual score in a single 2020 international innings? The answer is D. Evan Lewis. What was the name of the machine Skeeter's mother bought to straighten her hair in The Help? The answer is A. The Shinolator. Which device did Thomas Edison invent that allowed for long-distance communication? The answer is B. Telephone. What is the name of the boy who comes to live with the Coens in season 1 of the OC? The answer is B, Ryan. In which movie do we find the line, "May the Force be with you"? The answer is A, Star Wars. Who was the Roman emperor who declared himself God? The answer is C, Nero. Which of the following would be a reason you're sick? The answer is A, a cut on your thumb allowed bacteria inside. What Yale graduate received Pulitzer Prizes for the novel The Bridge of San Luis Rey and the play Our Town? The answer is D, Thornton Wilder. What do we use a spatula for in the kitchen? The answer is C, frying. What is the name of the alien spaceship in Futurama? The answer is A, Planet Express. Which school supply can you use to erase mistakes? The answer is B, rubber. Gas exchange during respiration occurs primarily through what? The answer is A, diffusion. What would you call a female skunk? The answer is A, sow. Which video game character is named after the inventor of the World Wide Web?